Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I am Daedran. From sold-out shows worldwide to a chart-topping album, Popcorn is set to end the year as dancehall's leading act. His album Forever still sits at number 2 on the Apple's Reggae iTunes chart and number 8 on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. The album has already been dubbed dancehall's best album for 2018. To add to his collection, the Unruly DJ on Monday released the deluxe edition vinyl set with an 8-page photo booklet. Popcorn, who is still on a high from his sold-out London Forever tour earlier this month, is giving thanks for an amazing year. Seen here at his sold-out Wembley Arena London show where fans were singing word for word his breakout single, Silence. Silence, the lead single from the album, currently boasts over 18 million views on its lyric video. Another hit is his recently released official video for Wine For Me, which gained over 1 million views in just a few days. Popcorn is gearing up to perform locally for his fans this Saturday at Unruly Fest, Popcorn and Friends in concert in St. Thomas. See you there. XXXTentacion featured on a track for Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. XXXTentacion is featured alongside Lil Wayne and Ty Dolla $ign on Scared of the Dark. Reports are that X's appearance on the album was meant to be a surprise, but the news was leaked prior to the album hitting streaming platforms. The soundtrack also includes an impressive lineup with Post Malone and Sway Lee on the lead single Sunflower and Jaden Smith and Nicki Minaj, as well as Vince Staples on other tracks. Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse is an animated Spider-Man movie that has a 97% Rotten Tomatoes rating, with critics calling it a must-see family movie this Christmas. That's it for E-Prime tonight. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.